What's up, travelers? It's Eliz from Means to Travel, and I am checking in with you guys today from our Airbnb here in Portsmouth, England. Today, I'm continuing the Travel Tip Tuesday series on this channel with another tip for those of you, especially who like to use loofahs back at home. So, my tip today is that you should bring one of these little doodads, which is a suction cup hook that you can use in your shower or bath. So what's great about these, and we got a pack of 3 from Lowe's for like $5, is that they're really affordable and they weigh virtually nothing and they're super tiny. See how big it is in my hand. And you can put it in the shower to really increase the sanitariness of not having to put your loofahs wherever they fit in the shower. These are great for whether you're going to an Airbnb, a hotel, a hostel, whether you're by yourself or going to a shared bathroom, just to be able to put this on the wall securely as soon as you arrive and hang your loofahs up. See, Derek and I have a his and hers loofah going on here and we share the hook. Another reason why you might want to consider having one of these types of hooks for when you travel is for hygienic purposes, not just for storing your loofah. It's nice to have everything off the floor so it's a little bit more sanitary. So even if you're staying at, say, a hostel and traveling by yourself, you don't have to worry about having to put your loofah somewhere where you maybe don't want to. So, hope that was super helpful for you all, travelers. If you like this tip, definitely give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips every Tuesday to come for the next several weeks. And if you have any other tips to share with this community, definitely feel free to add them in the comments section so we can all learn from each other. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers. Happy travels. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.